In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a daily reminder. 5 minutes. We'll set up a simple, reliable reminder in Trello using its built-in automation so you don't have to remember the same task every day. Start by signing into Trello so you can access your workspace and boards. Then open the board where you want the reminder to live. It's best to choose a board you check regularly, like your personal tasks or a team board. At the top of the board, click Automation. This opens Trello's Rule Builder, where you can define what should happen and when. Choose rules to create a time-based automation that runs for you on schedule. Click Create Automation to start a fresh rule. You'll see sections for a trigger and one or more actions. If you see a place to name your rule, give it a clear descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Click Add Trigger, then pick the Dates category. Dates lets you run your rule on a schedule. Set the trigger to run every day at the time you want, for example, every day at 9 o'clock a.m. You can also choose weekdays only if that fits your routine. Be mindful of your time zone so the reminder appears when you expect it to. Now define what should happen when that time arrives. Click the blue plus icon to add an action. From the action categories, select Dates again. Here, set the action that matches your reminder style. A good, straightforward option is to create or update a card with a due date today, so it lands in Due Soon views and is easy to spot. You can have it create a card in a specific list with a concise title like Daily Check-in and include a short description to remind you what to do. Keep the language clear, like Review Inbox or Plan Tomorrow's Top 3. When you're happy with the action details, click the blue plus icon to add it to the rule. You should now see your scheduled trigger and the actions summarized together. Click Save to enable the rule on this board. Your daily reminder is now automated. If you want a quick confidence check, temporarily set the trigger to run a couple of minutes from now, watch it fire, and then set it back to your preferred time. If others use this board, consider letting them know about the new reminder so it doesn't surprise anyone. And remember, you can return to automation, open rules, and edit or pause this rule anytime if your schedule changes. That's all it takes. You've created a dependable daily reminder in Trello, so your board will nudge you at the right time every day.